Hey there, YouTube. What's going on out there, YouTube? Hey, YouTube, welcome to my channel. Hey, yo, YouTube, we're over here. I hope you're having a great day out there. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Thanks for coming and checking out the content on this channel. I appreciate anybody's compliments and your continued support of the channel. If you like the content that you see, just make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment as you see fit. There's going to be a lot of topics on this channel. Sorry for the aesthetics, because right now I'm frantically setting up one of these rooms to be one of my streaming centers, and so I'm migrating all of my room to the other side, and I have a lot of ideas. So I have a green screen and a projector going in my Discord and live chats and all that other jazz. So I'm actually really excited to show you guys all the different things that we have going on and all the different things that we can talk about. But yeah, this is a gaming tech channel, and we'll get off the ground soon. As far as all the ideas, I'm pretty sure there's going to be a Twitch handle and everything coming out really soon, and so it's a little hectic, but everything's piecing together. Adopted a dog recently, a Labrador Retriever and a Golden Retriever mix. It's a really amazing dog, and she's learning a lot of things, and she's really good on a leash. She's about 9 months now, and yeah, so she got her. So the female Labrador I have, she's became a woman. So it's a challenging time, learning a lot of things about dog ownership. Never had a dog, the medium-sized build, but going on, rambling on. So I'm dissecting my room now, migrating into another room, and using this space as my streaming room. So pretty sure I have a nice setup. By the time we get the bed taken out, we close off the window and make a solid green screen in the back. Other than that, I'm really low on tech. I need a camera, and I need plenty of other equipment, cameras, and maybe a new computer with SSD, and to be able to take these really good videos and up the content for you guys out there that are subscribing and liking my channel from the get-go. With that being said, we're going to talk retro games, we're going to talk pets, outdoors, apps, we're going to talk about life hacks, and of course the streaming. We're going to be streaming a lot of PS4, a lot of retro games, we're going to be streaming a lot of custom ROMs. So you stick around for that. Hope you guys like the content, and thanks for checking us out.